Hello everyone. Recently, Axure released the latest Axure RP 11 beta. This version indicates the main features of the official Axure RP 11 release. From the beta version, we can see that Axure RP is becoming a tool that combines UIUX and prototyping. You can use it to create prototypes as well as perform UIUX design. With Axure's powerful data-driven capabilities and interactive features, it will likely become the choice of more designers in the future. Now, let's take a look at the main features of Axure RP 11. First, we have the Quick Insert feature. Just press the flash key on your keyboard, and you can search for widgets. For example, if I search for box here, all the boxes in the widget library will be displayed in the panel. I can select box 1 from the default widget library, and it will appear on the canvas. Pressing the flash key again allows you to navigate to any page. This time, I navigated to the sign-in page. Pressing the flash key, then I can navigate to a component. In the tab on the canvas, you can select the Gallery tab. Once selected, you can see all the pages and components. By clicking on any page or component, you can jump to the corresponding page or component. Next is the Apply Style feature. We'll add a mouse enter event to the title. On mouse enter, the text color changes to red, and on mouse exit, it changes back to black. In the prototype preview, you can see the interactive style of the text changing. In Axure 11, you can disable an interaction. We disabled the mouse exit event. In the prototype preview, you can see that the mouse exit event has been disabled. Now let's look at component interactions in Axure 11. We'll create a card at the bottom as a component. Then we'll add an interaction to the button that targets this component. In Axure 10, we couldn't directly target components, but in Axure 11, we can do so directly, making it more convenient. In the prototype preview, clicking the button allows us to toggle the component's visibility. Next, we'll add fade and scale animations to the component. In the prototype preview, you can see that the component disappears with a smooth animation. Axure 11 has introduced a variable changed event for page interactions. Let's take a look at this feature. We'll add an interaction to the button that changes a global variable on click. Then, we'll add a variable changed interaction to the page that hides the component. In the prototype preview, when clicking the button, the global variable changes to 1, so the component is hidden. Now let's look at the Animate with Transitions and Transforms interaction. We'll add a click interaction to the button and select Apply Style. The target will be a group under the component. We'll scale the group to 1.5 times its size and add a 45-degree clockwise rotation. We can also choose more style effects, adding a 500 milliseconds linear animation. After waiting for 1000 milliseconds, we'll scale it back to its original size and add a 45-degree counterclockwise animation. In the prototype preview, clicking the button will show all elements in the group scaling to 1.5 times their size and rotating 45 degrees clockwise, then scaling back to their original size and rotating 90 degrees. Next, let's look at the auto layout feature. We'll convert all cards into dynamic panels. Then, select all cards. By clicking the Auto Layout button, you can see that the cards automatically arrange themselves with equal spacing. Now let's examine the Swap Position feature. Select two cards, then drag the red dot in the center of one card to the other card, and the cards will swap positions. We'll revert all dynamic panel cards back into a group. Then, select one of the cards. Choose Widget Blur from the top toolbar to apply a blur effect to the card. This blur feature is also commonly used in UI design. In summary, the new features in the Axure 11 beta, such as animations, auto layout, and blur effects, indicate that Axure's UI design capabilities have become more powerful. You can use it for direct UI/UX design, and the existing prototyping features are also very strong. Therefore, using it for all-in-one design is extremely convenient. You can download the Axure beta from the Axure official website. I will also include the link in the video description, so please download it directly. Thank you.